buy some tickets, Jer?
No, I'm not.
Why is it Saturday?
They should have made an announcement saying this group. I think it's just like a free for all.
We got 5 national road runs next year, 40th anniversary of the AMCA National Road Run. So hit them all if you can. It's going to be a blast. They start out in March in SoCal chapter. Then we go into May down in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Then in August, the Badger Heritage chapter national. Sorry about that. Then in September, we go back to California. Yerba Buena chapter is sponsoring over. Yeah. Ricky and his crew. Stand up, guys. Come on. Take a bow. Yeah, don't come. Don't come to Ricky's. Come to the Badgers. And then finally, to wrap it up in 2024 in New Jersey, the Seaboard chapter is going to sponsor road runs. So we got 5 road runs all across the country. There's no BS excuse that you can't be to 1 or 2 or 5 of them. So get to them all, or any that you can. And from the National, thank you all for being here. And thank you to the Black Hills chapter for putting on a very excellent road run. Stand up, round of applause. Give it up. Come on, stand up. Well, thank you very much, Dan. Come on, dude. Okay. So, Ricky, come up here.